Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to track a text to a moving object in DaVinci Resolve. Let's get started. First, start by positioning the playhead at the point where you want to begin tracking. Then cut the clip using Ctrl plus B. Then, in the Fusion, search for tracker node and add it to the composition. Then place the tracker box over the moving object, then click track forward to analyze its movement. Now, add a text plus node, then connect it to your tracker node to link the motion to your text. Then under the tracker settings, change the operation to match move, and your text will now follow the object's movement. Then, finally move the text to your preferred location, and that's it. Your text now follows the moving object. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.